Oh, okay. Is this Stainer too? Is the guitar Stainer?
I think Jonas Brothers.
Jonas Brothers? I don't know Jonas Brothers songs.
Let's go on YouTube.
Yeah.
Come on, nephew.
Long à? Cô nẹp, long à?
Nephew, come on.
Alright, okay, you guys know what's up? You know what's up? Somebody's got a laugh.
All right, come on, YouTube. Yeah.
Yes, I want to be by myself. I can hear you. That's what we're doing. I gotta hear you guys. I gotta hear you guys.
All right, YouTube right here, YouTube.
All right.
Oh, wait.
We're gonna let it go.
Are you going to start?
Kind of. Let's see.
What's all YouTube?
Saying live. I'm trying to harmonize it. How about that? Where's bass? We need a bass. Come on, can you do bass? Do bass and like we need got the low voice to do bass. Alright, you guys ready? Yeah. Ready? E, R, B. Yeah, it is. Too high. No, you could have done that high part. YouTube.
What happened second worst?
We don't. Yeah, it's really high, but good playing though, man.
Who was second worst?
I don't, but I know how to sing. That was good singing. That's pretty good. Good singing, guys. I was singing. I don't even play. I'm not even good.
You zoom in all the way. What? Zoom out. How do you know how to play so good?
Oh, you just gotta practice. You gotta.
How do you know how to play so well?
Oh, I took lessons, but I want to do the finger picking like he does.
Oh, really?
It's easy.
Yeah, I know how to play a song with it too, but I'm not that good. No,